Alright guys, so today I will show you how you can use CapCut Pro version for free. And it's actually very simple. So let's say we want to make a YouTube short. So let's make aspect ratio 9:16. Make it full screen. There you go. And now let's add some pro features, for example, auto captions, but these new special ones, for example this one, it will generate very quickly. And it will add this cool effect to the subtitles. As you can see, it's very popping these days on YouTube. And now let's say we want to add some more features, for example some video effects like this one, HDR.
Now if you
make it longer for the whole video. And let's add something else, for example filter. This one, Sunkist, it's nice. And last piece of the puzzle would be camera tracking, like so you can have his head always in the middle and it looks aesthetically much more pleasing than if you did not use these keyframes. So there you go. And now here comes the trick. You can see there is a big Pro icon on the top of the display, which means that once you want to export this video, you can't, because you see you use these 4 Pro features, and in order to export it, you need to join CapCut, which is $8 a month. But we don't want to do that right now, because we don't have money. So let's say how you can do this. Make the video full screen, and now go to the screen recording button in iPhone, just click on screen record, play the whole video.
Now, if you noticed, it was positive statement, but negative statement.
There you go, stop it, stop the recording, boom. And now you just go to add another video, add one from your gallery,
Now,
like this. And you can see the whole screen is recorded, but we want to avoid that because we don't want to see unnecessary parts of the screen. So we need to zoom the video more, and we don't want to see that bar downstairs. So yeah, just like this, cut the unnecessary stuff. There you go. And also in the end, like this. And here you have the original video, which has pro features in it, but we can easily just delete this, and you see the icon of the Pro CapCut has disappeared, and now we can freely export this video with Pro CapCut features in it. So there you go. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments, because I respond to every single comment. And please subscribe, it helps me a lot. See you in the next one. Ciao.